So now we're going to see some of the amazing facilities at QUT, starting with the Cube, which is one of the most famous tourist attractions in Brisbane. Yes, so this way. So this is the Cube, which is generated with AI technology. So this is part of the engineering facility, and the professors within the AI and engineering side have created this, and the display changes every day as well. So it's very educational for everyone. So over here we have some of the facilities for students, which is a computer lab, and we also have study rooms over there too. We have another display here which always changes, so students can see different things on the screen. So again, this is part of the engineering facility at QUT. The restaurants and food areas here for students to get their lunch or breakfast. And we have a student lounge also here. So hopefully you've seen some of the great facilities we have here at QUT. If you want to know more, get in touch with Hands On, and they will be able to give you more information about the scholarships and the campus, and hopefully see you here in 2024.